Hello there. Well, we're pleased to have you join us for another Sounds of Sunday program. I know you'll enjoy the selection of beautiful music and words that we have to share with you. Let me express our appreciation to our many viewers who write in regularly. We know it takes a special effort to get the pen and paper out, to write and express your thoughts and requests. And we'll endeavour to include as many of these as we can in future programs. If you wish to write, the address to write to is Sounds of Sunday, care of BTV6, Post Office, Box 666, Ballarat 3350. That address again, Sounds of Sunday, care of BTV6, Post Office, Box 666, Ballarat 3350. Well, we often ask, and who will walk a mile with me along life's weary way? A friend whose heart has eyes to see the stars shine out over the darkling lea, and the quiet rest at the end of the day. A friend who knows and dares to say the brave, sweet words that cheer the way, where he walks a mile with me. But how much more do I need a heavenly friend to walk with? Listen to the words of Just a Closer Walk with Thee, as it's beautifully sung by our Sounds of Sunday massed choir conducted by W.H. Keith Young. Just a closer walk with Thee.